Hi, Yellow 6 students. It's Mrs. Shomura-Takata, and I'm going to be talking to you guys about a special kind of topic sentence or thesis statement called a however sentence. Last week, you guys learned about occasion position, and so today you're going to be learning about however, which is similar to an occasion position. It actually, a however sentence has an occasion position in it, but it's a little bit different. So I'm going to go over how to do one. Okay, so let's see. You are going to need to get your Step Up to Writing digital resource. So you might want to open that up. And today we're going to be going over only slide 8. And it is the however sentences. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. Oh, okay, no, that's too much. Never mind. Okay, so a however sentence, you would use this for a topic sentence and a thesis statement. So a however sentence is a compound sentence, which basically means it's two complete sentences that is joined together with a semicolon. And a semicolon looks like this, and a comma after the conjunctive adverb. So last week for occasion position sentences, we talked about, I'm going to go back to that slide, a subordinate conjunction, that an occasion position sentence uses subordinate conjunctions, but a however statement uses a conjunctive adverb. Different, okay? So if you look at this page, and this is in your composition book as well, below is a list of some conjunctive adverbs. And if you look, we have however, in fact, nevertheless, as a result, next, meanwhile, still, instead, consequently, therefore, likewise, and furthermore. Now, I know I pointed this out with my class. If you look at the occasion position, all the words in the list started with a capital letter because in an occasion position sentence, you start it with a subordinate conjunction. So all of these words were going to be at the very beginning of the sentence. But if you notice in a however sentence, all of these words do not have a capital because it is not the beginning of the sentence. It's going to be in the middle of the sentence or in part in the sentence. So let's take a look at some examples. Okay, so this chart is similar to the occasion position sentence chart that we did last week. Here is the whole sentence, and then this is the breakdown of the sentence. Okay, so let's just kind of, I'm wondering if I can zoom in a little bit. No, well, not really. Well, we're going to try. Okay, so this is an example of a however sentence. So take a look and look at the details. Our class enjoyed everything at the zoo, semicolon. However, comma, the monkeys were the most entertaining. So this is a single sentence, and it is actually made up of two complete sentences, but with special punctuation and that special word, conjunctive adverb, makes it not a run-on sentence, but a nice, however, sentence, which is more like a complex sentence. Okay, so here is the complete sentence, and then we're going to look at it broken down. So, however, sentence is made up of two complete sentences, but it's not a run-on sentence, okay? So the complete sentence 1 is, our class enjoyed everything at the zoo. That is a complete sentence, okay? Complete sentence 2, the second part of this, however, sentence is, the monkeys were the most entertaining. So complete sentence 1 and complete sentence 2 could be on their own, but because we're making it a more complex sentence, we're going to join them together to make this however sentence. And what that is this sentence. Our class enjoyed everything at the zoo, semicolon. However, comma, the monkeys were the most entertaining. Okay, here's another example of a however. Eating candy isn't healthy for you, semicolon. Nevertheless, comma, there are 3 candies I cannot live without. So the first part of this however sentence, the complete sentence, is eating candy isn't healthy for you. That is a complete sentence. The second complete sentence is there are 3 candies I cannot live without. That also is a complete sentence. So we have complete sentence 1, complete sentence 2, and by joining it with this semicolon and conjunctive adverb, you make it into a sentence. Eating candy isn't healthy for you, semicolon. Nevertheless, comma, there are 3 candies I cannot live without. So if you notice the punctuation, semicolon, and then we have this conjunctive adverb, and then there's a comma. So that's what you're going to kind of see as a pattern in all of these however sentences. All right, so the next example. Some video games are violent, semicolon. Still, comma, they are a lot of fun to play. So complete sentence 1, some video games are violent. Yes, that's a complete sentence. Complete sentence 2, they are a lot of fun to play. That is also a complete sentence. And when you join them together with that conjunctive adverb and the semicolon and the comma, it becomes a however sentence. Some video games are violent, semicolon. Still, comma, they are a lot of fun to play. Okay, the last example. I think this is the last one, yes. I like hiking, semicolon. As a result, comma, I can find many benefits to it. So the first complete sentence, 3-word sentence. I like hiking. Complete sentence. It is, even with only 3 words. Second complete sentence, I can find many benefits to it. That is also a complete sentence. And we turn these 2 sentences into a single sentence, a single more complex sentence, by adding the colon and the conjunctive adverb. I like hiking, semicolon. As a result, comma, I can find many benefits to it. Okay, so again, conjunctive adverbs are the key words here. These are the special words that you use in a however sentence. And you do not start it with the conjunctive adverb like you did in an occasion position. Okay, so now your homework, your practice time. You are going to get your step up to writing assignments, which is this slideshow. This should look familiar. You've done already organizing with a T-chart, and you've done some practice with that. Then last week you did the occasion position sentence slides, where you had to break down the occasion and the position. And then you saw this example, and then you practiced breaking down the occasion position and coming up with your own. Now today, you're going to be working on slide 7. And it says, however, topic sentences, okay? And you are going to do the same thing like you did to the occasion position. You are going to take a complete however sentence and you are going to break it down, okay? So on this page, you are going to break it down into 3 parts. The complete sentence 1, with the semicolon, the conjunctive adverb with the comma, and then your complete sentence 2. And if you notice here, the complete sentence 1 is called, is called the occasion. And complete sentence 2 is the position. So this, however, is a type of occasion position sentence, but we're calling it a however one. Okay, so just keep that in mind. So here's the example. Pets are great companions, semicolon. However, comma, they can be hard to care for. So in the sample, the first complete sentence, which is the occasion, up to the semicolon, they typed it here. Pets are great companions, semicolon. The conjunctive adverb plus the comma goes in this column. However, comma, then you put the complete sentence two, which is the position, the way you feel. They can be hard to care for, period. So you're going to do this on all of these sentences. So, number two, fast food restaurants are very convenient, semicolon. However, comma, you should limit how often you eat there. So what you would put here is I'm going to just do a sample for you if it shows up. Okay. Fast food restaurants are very convenient. You have to put the semicolon. Then you go to the next box, and our special word is however, comma. Oh, and it's okay if it capitalizes. Or you could go back and get rid of that. Conjunctive adverb. And then you're going to put the last complete sentence. You should limit how often you eat there. Okay, and you put the period. And then you might want to make this a small y again. I know it automatically fixes it. Okay, so you're going to do that to all of these, all the rest of these. Remember, you're looking for the semicolon and the comma. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of these because otherwise it's going to show up in yours. And you're going to practice this. Okay, oh, look, I messed that up. I moved it. Remember that undo button, wonderful magic button. Okay, so you're going to do slide 7 tonight. You are also going to do slide 8. And slide 8, sorry about that. Slide 8 is an example. Now, you know, in slide 7, it broke the however topic sentence into 3 parts. The complete sentence 1, the occasion, the conjunctive adverb, and then the complete sentence 2. But on this page, we're breaking it down even more because now we're giving the punctuation its own column. So here's an example for the the however topic sentence. This is the full sentence right here. I enjoy a lot of school lunches, semicolon. Still, comma, baked chicken has to be my all-time favorite. So the complete sentence number 1 is I enjoy a lot of school lunches. Semicolon gets its own column. That's the second part of this however topic sentence. The conjunctive adverb gets its own column. Still. The comma gets its own column. And then we have complete sentence 2, which is the position. So what we did in this top part is take this, I know it's hard to see, take this sentence and break it down into 5 parts. 2 of the parts, though, are the punctuation, the semicolon and the comma. Okay? And so, sorry about this. Yes, I'm going to go scroll down. Okay, so the topic is baked chicken. This is the T-chart practice now. And we're saying the reason this person likes baked chicken is that there's crispy skin, there's juicy meat, and it's a school lunch. It comes with a roll. So the crispy skin, the E's that support this, that give examples or explanation, is that, we know the person knows that the skin is not healthy, but it's perfectly crispy and salty when they have school lunch baked chicken. The E's for the juicy meat is that the juicy meat fills the person up, and it is soft and it falls off the bone. And then the roll, which is like the dinner roll or the bread, and it's usually served with the chicken, and it's warm and it's filling. So this is to answer this writing prompt. What is your favorite school lunch, and explain why? So this one is like choose one school lunch. The sample is choose one school lunch and then explain it. So this one you're just looking at, slide 8, you're looking at it. Now slide 9 you have to actually answer this. So what is your favorite snack, and explain why. So you will have to come up with a however topic sentence. Remember, you're going to use a conjunctive adverb, and you're going to type it out here, and then you're going to break it down up here. Remember to put the semicolon here and the comma here, and then the conjunctive adverb there. Okay, and so you're going to answer, what is your favorite snack? Tell me in this T-chart what your one favorite snack is. Okay, don't say I like da 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 da. It's asking for one, and then you have to explain why. So maybe your favorite snack is chips. So you write here chips, and then tell me 3 reasons why you like chips, and then give more examples. Okay, so again, tonight for homework, you're going to do slide 7. Sorry, that thing keeps coming out. Slide 7, which is breaking down the however sentences into 3 parts. Then you're going to look at slide 8, and then you're going to do slide 9. And slide 9, you're going to answer this writing prompt and complete a T-chart, and then use a however topic sentence. Okay? Alrighty. Please make sure you are practicing this. I do want to remind you that a lot of the writing you are going to do in 6th grade will be in the Step Up to Writing format. And so remember that you cannot just this is not going to go away. You're going to have to keep doing this. So it's best that you take the time to learn to do it right now at the beginning. Okay? If you have questions, you know that you can go see your teacher during office hours. You can email them. You can Google Voice them and let them know what you have questions on. So make sure you have specific questions. Okay? Don't just say, I don't get it. Try to think about what part you're not understanding. Okay, that's you being responsible for your learning. GLO number 1. Okay, all right. So thank you. Good luck. Have fun doing this. You can do it. Bye.